Hello friends, Swati here. Welcome to Swati's Creative Art. In this video, you will learn how to make a quilled tricycle. Here I have taken 2 strips of 5 mm and 3 strips of 5 mm. In the first one, I have taken 1 full strip 5 mm yellow, then half strip 5 mm white, then again half strip 5 mm yellow. Make a tight coil and stick it. And in the second one, I have taken 1 full strip 5 mm yellow, 1 full strip 5 mm white and 1 full strip 5 mm yellow. Now make 2 small coils of 1 full strip 5 mm and 1 strip of 3 mm. Now take 1 strip of 3 mm, make a tight coil and loosen it a bit. Stick it and give it a triangular shape for the cycle seat. Now take 1 strip of 3 mm, apply glue and fold it. Now stick the 2 small coils together and stick them with the 2 bigger coils. Keep aside and let it dry. Now take the strip, cut it into 4 pieces around 4 cm in length. Now take the 3 strips and give the shape as shown. Take the 4th one, cut it into 2 and give the shape like this. Now take 4 small strips and wrap them on the 2nd and the 4th shape as I am showing you to make the cycle handle and footrest. Now take the first strip and stick it in the center of the back tires. Now take the third strip and stick it with the front tire as I am showing you. Now take the coil which we have made earlier and give it a square shape. Now we will join all the parts. Take a small coil of 1/4 strip 5 mm for the seat support. Stick the seat on the cycle. Now see, our cycle is ready. For the light, I have sticked 1 stone here. You can see from this side also. Please do like, subscribe, share and comment and turn on the notification button for next tutorial. Thank you.